Hello there, welcome back. Today I will tell you how to draw an umbrella. So grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and let's start together. First, let's start with the canopy. Now let's draw the cap and the spokes. Now I'm gonna draw the tip. After that, shaft and the handle. Now let's draw the water and the raindrops. Using a black marker or a black sketch, let's draw the outline. Erase the pencil traces and let's start the coloring. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.